Titans ball.
Titans ball, Titans ball.
Titans, correct. Game.
Okay.
31.
6-point lead, 6-point lead.
Number 26. Run. Wala. Rebound by number 20. Donna. Pass to number 9. Zian, tingin sa tres. Wala. Anabilia, 0-0. Pass to number 21. Bolos ball. Number 2. Number 2. Pelicano. Pelicano. Same ball. Ang tawag ng ref. 13 shot lock. Pelicano. Tumete. Pass to number 21. Ang laki mo. Up. 3 seconds. Violation. Magaling ka umitlog.
Hindi pa namin sa Dayday.
Number 31, Guino. Guino. Number 31, pass to number 0-0. Makuha ng kalaban. Number 2, Pelicano. Tumalon, wala. Nakuha ng number 26. Pass to number 21, Braga. Braga. Nagmamadali. Smite. Same ball.
16 shot lock.
16 second shot clock. Guino to number 2. Foul.
Who's foul, rep?
Foul number 20.
Hindi ko makita, rep.
Number
I cannot see. 20.
I cannot see the block.
Number 20, foul.
Wala. Number 12. Wala. Nawala ni Aranda. Pass to Sian. Sian number 9. Tumatangka. Ay! 36, 28. 21.
Nicely.
Braga. Pass to number 12. Binalik kay Braga. Pass to number 0. Umikot. Number 12. Single. Substitution.
6 shot lock.
Big him up.
6 shot lock, Ash. 6 shot lock. Shot clock, 6 seconds. 6 seconds shot lock, ha?
6 second shot clock.
Wow.
Agoy.
Who's foul, rep? Who's foul? 9.
Foul number 9. Zian.
Shoot or not? Wala. Pangalawa ni Sian.
Okay guys. Walang 10 pa lang. 2 personal foul ka, Zian. 0-0. Ay, ang galing mo. Tagay!
Hoy! Anyari, kaibigan?
Number 21.
Wala.
Number 9. Pass to number 13. Sa atras. Sumeke. Sian. Wala. Number 0. Anabilia. Nakuha. Ay, Randa. Pass to number 20. Donna. Donna Ben. Pass to number 13. Sumeke. Ay. Wow. Diva Max. The sharpshooter of Ballers. 3 points.
Okay. Time out po, walang sub. Pasok ko lang kayo.
31 to number 12. Pass to number 0-0. Piso. Up. Titan Joe.
39-30.
39-30. Sorry.
39-30.
Sorry. Dadagal ko na yung score nyo eh. Nagda 3 points kayo.
39-30. Tama. Di lang nag-update. 39-30.
Okay lang, TV nag-lose.
Pasok. Depensa.
39-30 na tao?
39-30. Pasok pa ba? 3 points yun, 3 points. 39-30.
21. Yes sir, yes 2 points.
Pito. 39-32.
Number 26, pass to number 15. Last pass by number 13. Titans ball. 19 shot clock. Change ball, Titans. Ball change. 26 inbounding pass to number 00, Nadila Bumanga. Yes sir! Ang lakas mo, number 0. 34.
39-34.
Dito. Wala. Ay! Naka-on. Wala Cruz. Nice! Ang gandang pasa nun. Ang ganda. Sakto yung ikat. Tsambang yan. Tsambang pasa ba yan?
39-36.
Tsambang pasa daw.
Tayong sa assist, no? Wala tayong tali sa
Asian, number 9. Pass to number 20. Bona. Pass to number 11. Wala. Nakaroon. Pass to number 21. Easy 2 points. Time out! Ballers. Isa lang ba? Shoutout nga pala sa magkikisig nating referee. Kisig lang. May balong sapatos. May na-scam. Sana all. Iniram, doon muna. Back to the ball game ba? Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game, guys.
39-38.
Matiliwag ko ang play. Balik ang nilaw. Number 13. Number 13, Bibo. Bibo Max. Number 13, hinaharas ang number 15. 15. Pass to number 27. Pass to number 13. 10 shot clock. 10 shot clock. Bona. Wala. Rebound by number 0. Anadilla. Bumangga. Pass to number 19. De La Cruz. Nice. Good shot. Good. Change favor na ba? Change favor. Number 9. Ay!
Ano nangyari? May nadulas?
Score 41-40. 21, Braga.
41-40.
Zero, nabigla sa may step. Oy! May foul. Blocking foul number 10. Borojo. 13 fouls.
Si Boro ulit?
Boro. Blocking foul.
Warning.
Warning to Gaglasin Boro. Symbol. Warning for graduation number 10. 06, number 0, Nabilla. Pass number 21, Braga. Sinimeter shot, wala. Nakuha ng number 27, pass number 18, Bibo. Kumay set, oh, may tawag ang ref.
Stop.
Kel, Petra.
Counted foul.
No, shooting. 2.
Sorry po.
All Titans, first team foul.
2 shot by number 13. First shot. Pumasok.
Dalawa po lamang. Tropa natin yan, Bibo.
Second shot. Yes, sir. Number 26, Duran. Foul number 9. Pushing foul. Substitution, rep. Substitution, pasok.
Warning for penalty.
Warning penalty.
Warning for penalty.
Number 9, 3 fouls.
Number 19, Dela Cruz. Pass to number 26. Tumira, wala. Magawa ng number 21. Pass to number 13, Bibo, pass to number 21. Ay, hindi na makaluto.
43-40. Score 43-40. Tatlo naman po.
Jay, wag mo na pilitin, Jay. May injured ka pa yan.
May edad na po yan ha. May edad na number 21. May edad na yan. Oy, kitang-kita.
Kitang-kita.
Galing ng referee.
Family
Tuloy.
violation.
Yan ang binabayaran sa referee. Yan ang binabayaran.
Number 20, Donna. Wala. Nakuha ng number 26, pass to number 21. Number 13. Ang foul, pero wala. Nakuha ng number 21, pass to number 13, Bibo City, or Bibo Max. Oh. Good.
Running time.
Easy 2 points.
Lamang ng 5. 45-40. Lamang po ng 5. Ten shot clock.
Gusian. Pass to number 13. Perimeter shot. Yes, sir.
19, 17, 16, 15, 14. Basket. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Time's up.
Time for the bowling. For our sponsors versus. Ayan, versus po. Ito si versus.